First step in making gumbo for New Year's. Quarter, maybe like 6 small medium-sized potatoes. Put them in chicken broth. Add to the pot maybe 2 full-size carrots or more, depending on how many people, how big of a pot you want to make. So this is what you do. I mean, this is what I do. Everybody makes gumbo to their own taste. This is how I like it with potatoes, carrots, celery, onions. Well, I'll get to the fixings. But these, you do the carrots and the potatoes first because they take the longest to cook. And you don't want them raw when you have your finished product. That's why you start with those. After the pot, 1 good size yam, cut into about a cube. Pot is filled with chicken broth, potatoes, russet potatoes, carrot quarters, about 1 inch thick, sweet potato yams, and a little bit of love. So we're gonna start with that just to soften them up. So when we put the rest of the ingredients for the gumbo, it's gonna be already partially cooked. So we'll finish cooking when we finish the rest of the product. No corn this time. Here we have slow cooked beans, another New Year's favorite for the African American community. Yeah, so they'll be ready about maybe 2 or 3 hours from now. Have a lot of ingredients to go in there. Right now it's just the hog maw and the beans, and of course seasoning, and a little bit of water. Okay, so the beans are in their final stages. We put some ground pork that we had cooked earlier, along with the hog maws, pinto beans, and then we got some seasoning that I like to season it with. Season to taste, whatever you like to put in your beans. I like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I don't remember exactly everything I put in there, but it's also just kind of simmering and in this last stage of the cook. Everything's in there, ready to be eaten. So that's it for the beans. Just gotta let it cook for about an hour and it'll be ready. Okay, so I didn't record all the ingredients going in, but you put whatever you want in the gumbo, whatever you like. I put sausage, shrimp, potatoes, got some lobster claw, bell pepper, celery, corn, crab claw meat, peas, onions, and of course the flavoring. I use the Zatarain's, and I just add a little bit at a time until I get the flavor that I want. You could have it as thick as you want. I mean, Cajun-y as you want, or a little less Cajun-y if you do it that way. Over season it. And I don't put the hot because there's people who don't like it hot. So anyway, that is my gumbo. About another 20 minutes of cooking, and a little half a bowl of rice, the rest of a bowl of gumbo, and it's gonna be on.